So today for DPA, we're going to be focusing on active participation. So when we think about our dream poster, we've got dedication, responsibility, education, attitude, and motivation. So thinking about our weekly goal, responsibility, how does responsibility connect with active participation? You need to be responsible for your own actions. So I want you to talk with your partner what it looks like to be active when we're here in the classroom. Have students conference with a partner, each speaking uninterrupted for up to 1 minute to share their knowledge of success criteria for active participation. Following partner discussions, consider having pairs share the responses with the class. Consider recording correct responses on poster paper for future reference. Throughout the lesson, continue to draw students' attention to the identified criteria for success. To get warmed up and to increase our heart rates, we're going to get started with shoot around. Students begin by walking around the activity area and then gradually increase their activity level from a walk to a slow jog on the spot to a shuffle, and finally to a fast jog on the spot. While students are moving about the activity area, the teacher calls out an activity that a player might work on during the shoot around before the game. When an action is called out, the students mimic that action for 20 seconds until the teacher calls out the next method of locomotion. The students move about the activity area until the next shoot-around action or skill is called out. Continue until the students are properly warmed up. Possible shoot-around activities could include dribbling, set shots, jump shots, foul shots, defensive footwork, blocking shots, rebounding, dunking, and layups. We'll now get active with our vertical jump mission. Throughout the activity, be sure to refer students to the success criteria for active participation. Divide students into groups of 4 to 6 and give each group the working on our vertical jump mission sheet. Groups must stay together and perform each mission task as a group as quickly as possible. Each group member must perform each mission task to the best of their ability. Inform the groups that they may work on the mission tasks in any order they choose. Check that each activity is spread out to minimize interference from other activities. For a demonstration of the mission activities, see the video on the curriculum page of the MLSE ShapeUp website. We'll now cool down with jump ball. Students will gradually decrease their heart rate to a resting rate by participating in the following activity. Then students stretch the body parts that have been active through the lesson. Students stay in the teams they were in for the vertical jump mission. Students shuffle around the activity area for 30 seconds until the teacher yells, "Jump ball." At this point, the students gather together in their mission teams, find a partner, and jump in the air, touching hands with their partner 3 times. Then one member of the group leads the team in a stretch. The teacher then signals the class to begin moving around the activity area again, this time at a slow jog until jump ball is called. Students repeat the 3 jumps with a partner, and a different member of the group leads the team in a stretch. This continues until each member of the group has led a stretch where the teacher calls out, "Game over." Locomotor actions should decrease in intensity after each jump ball is called. Locomotor actions could include jogging on the spot, shuffling, slow walking, quick walking, skipping, or marching. If students are not comfortable choosing a stretch, a list of stretches could be posted on the blackboard or on chart paper prior to the cool down. To consolidate the lesson, have students return to their seats and reflect on whether they participated actively. Have students record their level on a scale of 1 to 4 and write it, along with their name and a reason for their mark, on a sticky note. Have students post the sticky notes on the dream poster.